Good night, dear mates and tutor. My name is Catherine Lizana Alvarez. Today is 22 of October of the year 2020. My tutor's name is Ingrid Tatiana Gomez, and I'm going to present you the Unit 2, Step 3, Identify the Technology Value. Well, we have the problem 3. The main problem that we choose was lack of information on the market and commercialization channels. The causes are in the roots. One of the causes is the difficulty of technology managers to obtain information that would allow them to identify the market. This has a consequence, a direct consequence, that this forces to managers who value technologies must first undertake the said market and the national and international level. Another cause of this problem is the interest of developing the academic subject than actually making applications to the market. These consequences is that this leads to valuation taking longer to run overall if you do not have specialists in the technological and competitive surveillance. And the final cause is the lack of real research in local field international markets for the development of foreign alternatives. The consequence of this problem is that both companies and universities operate arbitrarily and differently because academic is not articulated with the practice. This is the explanation of my problem 3. Now, the recommendations to face the difficulty to define the problem 3. One of the strategies that are taken into account to solve the problem choose about lack of information of the market and commercialization is that applications can be devised that are simple to elaborate and that help achieve different business purposes, such as being able to calculate the payroll easily and simply, including all its variations, up to being able to manage the company information system in an agile and remote way in case the manager has no absence in emergencies. Technological tools provide all kinds of utilities, so through the development of use and applications, the problem can be solved. So the approach to use is not only that companies employ strategies to implement digital technologies in their processes, but the focus is on correctly articulating these efforts and encouraging the production and development of new software that is useful, easy access, and that the cost is according to their utility and market value, so that they are more accessible to small and medium-sized companies. Thank you all.